Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how I get rid of my armpits hair by using Veet. This is for legs and body, but I use it for my armpits hair. So I got a mouthwash in my mouth, that's why my face looks chubby. But I'm going to show you guys what my armpits look like, so don't freak out. If you are, click away right now, like right now. So here is what my armpits hair looks like. I let it grow out so that I can show you guys how I get rid of my armpits hair. I like to heat the strip. You don't have to. You don't have to heat the strip, but I like to heat it up because it's easy to stick on your skin and it's easy to peel. And I like it nice and warm. So you don't want to do it really hot, maybe like 5 seconds. So you're just going to peel it and put it on your arm. Make sure your arm is dry. If your armpit is not dry, just put baby powder. If you don't have it, just use a towel. And here I am placing on my arms. Look how much hair that was. But I'm going to spit out my mouthwash. And I am going to wax away. Oh my god, that looks so painful. But you guys, it's really painful because when you wax it, the hair comes out from your root. When you shave it, you're just only shaving the top, but waxing, you just wax from the root. It gets in there. So I'm using one of the half of the strip. I'm just gonna reheat it and I'm gonna put it again. And did you guys see how much hair I got from that one half of the strip? So again, you guys make sure you do again pull against the way your hair grow. I've been doing this many years, so I know how my hair grow. And if you don't know, just do up and down one time, up and down, then side to side and corner to corner. That way, like, make sure you get every hair. You may see some spotting, like a little bit of blood, but that is normal since you are pulling your hair from your root. So there's some pieces left. As you can see, I just pull it with my hand and it comes right out. And if you can't use your fingers to pull the hair, just use a tweezer. And I think that is an ingrown hair that I have, but it wasn't ready to pull them out, so I just let it sit. So I'm gonna use this wipe, and if you guys don't have any wipes left over, you can use so I'm just being silly and showing you guys, and I was amazed how much hair I was able to get. I'm gonna use this wipes. The wipes only come in 4, and if you don't have any more left, you can use coconut oil to rub on your skin. You see the difference? It looks nice, right? Yeah. I let it grow out about 3 weeks. So don't judge me, okay? It's not summer yet, it's still winter. So I was in my habitat. So I'm gonna blow dry one more time for my other arms. So I use 2 strips for each arm. Sometimes I will use 3 strips, one for the other one for each, and then half of, like, so basically 1.5 strip, if you know what I mean. So you see how long my hairs are? Oh my gosh. I wasn't even sure if I should record this or not, but I want to share with you guys because this one really helped me. And then my hairs are very soft. They're not very thick. I am telling you guys, It's very painful. It hurts really bad. But you see how much hair I got? If you are doing this for first time, please get someone else to do it and help you out. Make sure you pull your skin like I did on my shoulder right there. Make sure you pull it. It's very painful, so make sure you pull your skin tight so that it's easy to pull the hair out. You see how clean it was, and it doesn't get itchy either after you wax. And you guys can exfoliate with scrub or anything you have. It looks really nice, right? If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you guys try it out because it will save you money, time, and you don't have to shave for like 2 weeks. So if you guys do use this wax strip, make sure your hair is long enough, like about half a centimeter. Make sure you read the box on the side. It show you how long your hair should be. So mine's about like 2 weeks. So I do it like once in 2 weeks. And depending on how fast your hair grow, you can just adjust to it. So guys, I am almost done. I'm just gonna clean out the excess my arms, and so this is what it looks like, and nice and clean, no more hair, and this is perfect for the summertime. Also, if you do use this strip, make sure your armpit is dry, and you pull the skin tight and pull the wax against the direction of hair growth. So if you guys do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like on the strips. It was really fun to wax by yourself. I'm just kidding. It's not fun. Make sure you get someone else to help you if this is your first time. Okay? So I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Bye.